In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to your Wix website. Whether you want to keep your visitors entertained or provide a new interactive experience, adding games can be a fantastic enhancement to your site. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate games with ease. First, navigate to your Wix website. Now, a reminder here, even though it's simple, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. This will ensure that you have all the necessary permissions to make changes to your site. Once you're at the Wix dashboard, you're ready for the next step. Click on Pages and Menu located on the left-hand side of the editor. This menu is your central hub for accessing all your site's pages. Here, you can add new pages, rename current ones, or manage their settings, offering a lot of flexibility for personalizing your website's navigation. Now choose the page where you want to add your game. Simply click on the desired page, and it will open in the editor. This step is crucial as it ensures the game will appear exactly where you intend it to, ensuring a seamless user experience for your visitors. Next, it's time to click on Add Apps. This option is also located on the left-hand menu, and it's designed to provide a wide range of additional features, including games that you can integrate into your site. Think of this as the App Store for your website, with numerous apps to enhance your site's functionality. In the search bar, type Wix Games. This quick search will show you all available game apps suited for Wix sites. Browsing here reveals a variety of gaming options ranging from puzzles, quizzes, to more complex multiplayer setups. It's important to choose the game that best fits your audience and your website's theme. Once you find the perfect game app, click on it to get more details. This extra info can be helpful to understand how the game will function on your site, including any customization options or updates. Now select Add to Site. Once you've done this, you'll see options to configure the game settings such as appearance and functionality, helping ensure it aligns perfectly with your site's design. Spend a little time here because fine-tuning these settings will maximize your visitors' gaming experience, and there you have it. You've successfully added a game to your Wix website. It's as easy as following these steps, and now you're ready to offer your visitors a fun, engaging element that keeps them coming back for more. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video!